Hi class, today we're going to review some double-digit addition using the expanded form method. Okay, you want to work alongside and have a piece of paper, then you're more than welcome to do that. Here we go. All right, so let's start off easier, and let's say that we're going to start with 53 plus 26. Okay, so this 53, we're going to break it up into expanded form. So I'm going to start with, I've got 5 in my tens place, so that is equal to 50. And I've got 3 in my ones place, and that's equal to 3. So there's my expanded form, 50 plus 3. Okay, let's do the same thing for 26. So I've got 2 tens, that's 20, plus 6 ones. Okay, so 20 plus 6. Okay. Now we're going to add our ones first. So this is where you really need to be knowing your facts. I hope you've been practicing them the past few weeks. Let's look at 3 plus 6 is 9. And we've got 50 plus 20, or sometimes we'll say 5 tens plus 2 tens is 7 tens. So 50 plus 20 is 70. And then we're just going to combine that back together. I'm going to add 70 plus 9, and that equals 79. Okay, all right, let's do another one here. Okay, let's say we've got 37 plus 46. Okay, this one's going to require an extra step in here. Okay, all right, 37 is equal to 30 plus 7. And then 46 is equal to 40 plus 6. Remember, when you're setting this up, you always want to make sure that these are nice and neat and they're lined up, because that'll help you when we're getting into the hundreds. So the neater you are with your math, the better it will be for you. Okay, so let's go ahead and add our ones first. So this is a near double. I know 7 plus 7 is 14 because I know my doubles. So 7 plus 6 is 13. Okay, 30 plus 40 is 70. Okay, and then I'm going to take this 13 and I'm going to break it up into my tens and ones again. I always want to break it up so that I'm just working with one place value at a time. So breaking 13 up is going to be 10 plus 3. Okay, I'm going to cross it off because I used it. And now I'm going to just combine these again. So I've got 70 plus 10 gives me 80. And then I've got 3 more. So my final answer is 83. Okay? All right, let's try another one of those. I'm going to leave a little bit of time in here for you to work this out, okay? All right, let's do 65 plus 29. Okay? All right, break up 65 into expanded form. Okay, did you do 60 plus 5? Okay, break up 29 into expanded form. Okay. Did you do 20 plus 9? All right, now we're going to add our ones. So I've got 5 ones plus 9 ones, and that gives me, did you say 14? Okay, now I've got 60 plus 20. Did you say 80? Okay, I'm going to add these together, but at first I need to break this up into tens and ones. So that's going to be 10 plus 4. I'm going to cross it off because I've already used it. I already broke it up. Okay, now I'm going to combine my tens. So 80 plus 10 is 90. Plus 4 more. So my final answer is 94. Okay? All right, let's do one more, and this one's going to be another step onto that one. Okay? All right, let's say 97 plus 28. Okay? All right, so 97 we're going to break up here into 90 plus 7. Oops, move that over a little bit. Okay, and then we're going to break our 28 up into 20 plus 8. Okay, we're going to add our ones first. So this is a near double. I know 8 plus 8 is going to be 16. So 8 plus 7 is just going to be 15. Keep practicing those facts. It's going to help you in math. All right, then I'm going to add 9 tens plus 2 tens, or 90 plus 20, which will give me 110, or 11 tens. Okay? All right, now we have to break two things up. We have to break this one up into our hundreds. We've got 100 plus 10. And we have to break this up into 10 plus 5. All right? So now I'm going to find my hundreds first. I've only got 100. Okay, so there's 100. Oops, let me cross those off because I used them. Okay, there I'm going to take my tens. So I've got 2 tens. 10 plus 10 is 20. Plus my ones. Plus 5. Okay, I'm going to put that all back together, and that should give me 125. Okay, and because you know I am the queen of one more, let's do one more. I know you missed that, guys. All right, so let's do this time, let's say, how about 78 plus 64? I'm going to leave some time in here so you can solve it too, okay? All right, so 78 is going to be, you say 70 plus 8. Okay, 64. Did you say 60 plus 4? All right, I'm going to add my ones first. I know my fact. 8 plus 4 is 12. And then I've got 70 plus 60, or 7 plus 6 tens. 7 tens plus 6 tens is 13 tens, or 130. Okay, now I need to break these up, both of them. I'm going to break this one up in between my 100. Got plus 3 tens. I don't have any ones. All right, then I'm going to break this one up into 10 plus 2. Okay? Okay, use those. Cross them off. All right, I've only got 100 here, so I've got 100. Here's my tens. I've got 30 plus 10. Did you get 40? And then I've got plus 2 more ones. Okay, when I put that all back together, I've got 142. That's my final answer. Okay? All right, guys, I really miss teaching you in the classroom. I hope that this was helpful, and let me know if you need any more help. I miss you bunches.